It's your girl, Rosa naman. And for today's video, ay turo ko sa inyo yung folded remix. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, i-mirrored ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is i-cross nyo yung inyong legs. So, parang jump kayong ganyan. Then, open wide itong arms nyo. Okay, so 1, then close na ganito dito sa harap ng chest. Okay, so 1, 2, then up yung inyong left hand. 1 and 2. Okay, so tap, tap, tap. Okay, so cross, open yung arms, then close, up, down, down. Okay, so pagka iaangat nyo itong right hand nyo is ibababa nyo na yung left hand. Okay, 10, 10, 10. So, parang ganon siya. Okay, so cross, close, then up and down. Okay, so next is i-open yung hands nyo and naka-forward siya dito sa harap. And 1 and 2. Okay, so yung tan, 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 ganun. Okay, so naka-straight yung inyong arms, then 1 and 2. Okay, pero dito siya sa harap. So, tan, 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 and open, close. Okay, so pagka-close ng inyong kamay, naka-forward yung katawan nyo. Okay, so galing dito, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay, so pag naka-extend tong kamay, medyo naka-lean yung inyong katawan. Okay, so dito sa side, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After nung part na ganito, is extend nyo yung right arm nyo dito sa right side to front. Then, i-cross nyo yung kamay nyo dito sa side. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung inyong hips naman is, iaangat nyo na siyang ganyan. Pwede kayong mag-tiptoe. So, 1, 2, then 3, 4. Okay? So, iaakdam nyo yung inyong right foot papunta dito sa left side. So, galing dito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, after nyan is, iaangat nyo yung hips nyo. 5 and 6. Okay? So, tak, tak, tak. Okay? So, angat nyo, then down, down. So, slight na, baba lang ng hips, then tak. Okay? So, yung legs nyo is nakabend yan. So, tak, and up, down. Okay? So, galing dito, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then after nyan is 7, 8. Okay? So, yung 7 and 8 is iakbong nyo yung inyong right foot. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo naman, naka-open, then ikot pa ganyan, then close. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, dito sa left side is hakbang yung left foot nyo, then down. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs nyo na nakaganto and yung kamay nyo is magkapatong siyang ganyan. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung una is papunta dito sa right side and i-wave nyo yung katawan nyo. 1. Okay? So, i-bend nyo tong left leg nyo. 1. Then, dito naman sa left side. Then, 2. So, ito naman yung naka-bend and ito yung naka-slant. Okay? So, 1, 2, then front. Okay? So, i-wave nyo kahit sa front. Tak, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, then down. So, yung kamay nyo, pwedeng nakaganto or pwedeng ganito lang. Naka-close siya. Or pwedeng ilagay nyo dito sa gilid ng lips nyo or sa front. Okay? So, yung hips nyo naman is tak. Okay? So, yung legs nyo, naka-bend. And twist nyo lang ng ganito yung inyong right foot. Okay? So, okay? So, counting tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it for today's video. Kung natunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and see you guys on my next video. Bye!